chick, oh, 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 chick, oh, oh, how do I get to YouTube Live? Nope. Go live. Live streaming. Cancel. Live dashboard. Is it working? Oh. Okay. Is this working? Live dashboard. Is it working? Okay. So many windows open at once. Great. This is the link for the live. Then I go here, I right click, paste there, start streaming. I don't know what happened. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Seems to be working. This didn't work though. Did it? Nothing's working. Nothing is real. Okay, start streaming, programming. Right click and copy video game URL. Or video URL. Okay. I'd love to know how to do that. Okay. That's fine. Top chat. Settings. What is the link to the video? Who knew this would be so complicated? Who knew? Who knew? I see your hammer hanging down. Your channel live now. Here we go. Okay, share. Is that what I want? Embed? Do I want to be in bed with it? What is that noise? Right click and select copy video. Right click video and select copy video URL. Right click video, copy video URL. Paste. Start streaming. Creating stream. There we go. Playback on other websites has been disabled by the video owner. I do believe I have not done that. But let's go see how to. Settings. Privacy. No advanced settings. No account. Feel like I've been sent a tutorial on how to do this. Cool. First login. Loaded. Locate the video manager button on the top of the page. What? Advanced settings? No, okay, hang on. Okay, I need the My Channel page. My Channel. Then locate. No. It's coming. It's coming. We're gonna do this. Ah, this seems like it's outdated. Videos. Video manager. I've seen this page before. Why can't I see it now? I wish everything was easy. Cancel. Okay. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. I've seen this window before. Channel status and features. Dashboard. It's not what I want. I want status. Oh, other features. Status and features. He's done it. Okay. Embedded live streams. Okay, this is under review. It's fine. This is saying playback on other website has been disabled by video owner. Click the embed box. It says it's embedded. You can embed live streams. It says yes. Admission submitted and in review. Okay, but this is fine. You can. This is enabled. Partner verified. Get reviewed after reaching 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000. Okay, well, that's not gonna happen. But I don't care about making money. Ah, I broke it. I'm at a loss. Somebody please. Please. This makes no sense. We're all confused. Everybody's confused. Everything is so confusing. Okay. Can't say I didn't try. Cannot say that I didn't try. Streaming now. Copy embed code? That sure ain't right. Copy URL. Paste. Start streaming. It's oh my god. Okay, well this is just not working. Hi. Do you know HTML, CSS as well as JS? I mainly know. I don't know if you're still here. Are you still here? No, you're not. This is painful. This is invalid. Okay. Oh my god. I'm ready to give up. It shouldn't be so damn hard. Log out. Log in. Why is it so dang hard? Playback on other website has been disabled. It's just factually untrue. Okay, I'm gonna try one last thing. I'm gonna stop. Start it up again. URL has already been taken. I don't know what to do. Okay. What do you mean URL has already been taken? I'm so confused. If I go on all live streams, okay, recent streams, so that's not. That can't be. No one is live streaming now. Okay. Cool. Great. Profile. Let's delete this. We'll try it again. Start streaming. I'm currently live. Copy video URL. Paste. Oh my God. Why? See, this embedded is enabled. So this makes no sense. Somebody help me. Because this should be working. And it's just not. If I go here, go to YouTube, go to my channel. Settings? No. God damn. Pardon my French, but this is a nightmare to navigate. I'm just so blown away how difficult this is. Embedded live streams enabled. So, why is this telling me that it's not the case? Video unavailable, watch this on YouTube. I don't know. I have no idea. Doesn't make any sense to me. No, it just doesn't make sense. All right, well, let's pretend like it's working, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what else to do. Don't know what else to do. So I'm going to pretend like it's working. And all right, well, let's just program. It says I have one current viewer, but that's probably me. I'm viewing myself. Okay. Why is that there? What happened? Okay. Chat room is white. Confusion. Okay, well, let's just do what we are here to do. I said I was going to build a forge, or make it so you can build a forge. In the same way that right now I can study trees until such a time where I can harvest trees, and then I can build a tent, and then I can build a farm. Cannot read property 0 of undefined. Ah, cool. Let's just go see what the deal with that is. Inventory draw content, HUD 227. HUD 227. Okay. Sure. I know how to fix that. Class building. Inventory array. It has none. But we're just going to do equal to that. To remove confusion. Okay, let's try that again. Study the tree. Priority 3 of undefined. Okay, what is... Why is suddenly errors happening everywhere? Harvest. Build the farm. Okay, I'm not getting that same error as before, so that's good. And then when it's built, there's a farm and a lot of food's coming in real fast. Okay, so what we want to do is now have a similar thing that's going to happen here, but we're going to build a forge. Okay, this is really confusing. Not this, but this. Let's, I don't even know where to begin. All right, well, let's add a button. Let button build forge equal to new button. Where is this gonna go? How are these spaced out? By what number is that? 25 plus 32. Why? 52? No, 57? 25 plus 32 is 57. I don't know why, but 289. 40. Why? Why in the world? Build button width, same build button height, and forge. Let's plop that into this array. I can't remember why, but it makes sense to keep it consistent. Okay. What? Okay, button. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, oh, look at that. There's a, that's all it took, and there's another button that appeared. I must have been thinking ahead when I designed this. Okay. How? Where are the logos for these? I imagine in class button. Ah. Okay. Else. No. Building equals tent. Ah, button tent. Yes. So else if this dot building equals to forge. All these things are going to happen. But button forge. Except now it's going to like, I don't know what a button forge is. Okay. Graphics. Button forge. Function button forge. PTN. Imagine that's point. Okay. What is my forge going to look like? So I have lost myself. Inventory color rect. Point. Why isn't? Where are my guidelines to what? Okay, so this is the top left. 0. Let's make a weird, like, oven-looking thing. Wow. I forget how big this is. What's the center of this? There's 60 or something like that. 60. Let's say 57 or 60, 57. I don't know. No. What is the center of this? What is this value? I don't remember it being that far up. 57. Why? Okay. So 57 over 2 is 25, so 23, 28, about. Then this thing, so that's the center, so we want it, like, say 10 to the left of that. So I wrote 28, so 18, and 0.1 plus, so it's 10 from the bottom, so not 57, but 47. And the width, so we said 20, and the height 10. And the color, dark gray. Okay, well, you can sort of see it there. So, okay, plus 18, we'll go plus 10. We'll make it higher, 27. And we'll go plus 13, we'll make it 30. You tweeted that a few minutes ago when you mentioned it. Oh, cool. Thank you. All right, well, enjoy whatever you got to do. Peace, Wizard Phil. Wizard Phil. Okay, square here. Let's have another square. Um, 5 in, so 18, and we'll do it 15 up from this. So this minus 15 is 12. So we'll reduce this by 10. How does that look? Good. And then we're going to do a black square in the center. Wizard Phil. In the center, okay. So, a little lower than the first one. A little more in than the second one. A little lower, or what's the second one? A little more in than the smaller one. A little lower than the lowest one. I don't know, 10 by 10. Black. It's not at all where I wanted it to go. Plus 15, plus 18, plus 20. Let's go a tiny bit more. So 22, and let's make this 15. Let's try an trial and error, but I'm too lazy to do this in any other way. Okay. That's a forge, if I have ever seen one. Okay. So let's just make that clickable, which means we need to set build permission for a habitant that has enough stone. This dot stone is smaller than 10. Then building permission array 2 equals false, else building permission array 2 equals true. Okay. So study the stone. Harvest the stone. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, well. All right, let's just go to my HUD, where these things get drawn. For each building button array for each element dot draw. Okay. If we go into button, class button, forge. 2. Okay. Here we go. Study that. Harvest that, and then boom. This becomes not opaque, and you can click on it, but right now nothing happens. Okay, so now I gotta set it so that something happens, which I believe is inside HUD here. Or no, that would be mouse inventory canvas. So buildner at I.building. Okay. So if I'm over the button, this is really ugly. I could definitely clean this up, but I'm not going to do this right now. Hang on, I'm just checking something. Okay. So building button array I.building. Build. What is that referencing? Where is this build function? I just want a build function. Function build E. There you go. Okay. Elf if, so it's 2 by 2. Or to build equal forge. It's also 2 by 2. Okay. 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 So that's working. We just have to make it so when you click, you mouse press. This is now we're in a mouse canvas. Yes. To build else if to build equals forge. Building farm, building forge equals true. Great. Now we have to go into hab. Class habitant and let's declare this harvesting cow, harvesting, building tent. This dot building forge equal false, but then when you click, it becomes true. Okay, so we have all this. We're gonna copy building forge. This dot wood, this dot stone minus 10. Um, 10 of stone is item underscore stone. Okay. Forge. 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 Building forge. Okay. Ooh, study. Harvest. Boom. Okay. No progress is being made. All right, so let's go to class underscore building. We're going to copy this all the way down to here. And now it's forge. Okay. Cool. Building array splice. Building array. World grid. Farm tile type. Forge. Tile type. And update forge arrays. Okay. Right now, forge tile type doesn't exist. So let forge tile type equals to 8. So we have that. And we need to declare a class now. class underscore forge.js. I'm going to use farm as a template. My God. It's so complicated. There's so much stuff in here. Okay, but now it is forge. And type is forge. This does not matter. I don't know why this is here. And leave like that for now. Progress equals 0. That's fine. This is unnecessary, actually. Excuse me, let's make this, all right, let's go HTML colors, HTML, JavaScript colors. Color names. What colors are Forge going to be? Dark slate gray. Dark slate gray. If selected, okay. Wait, is this the outline? Okay, make it. This is dark slate gray. Let's make this light sea green. No, I'm gonna, let's go navy. Okay. This I'm probably not going to use. And now the last thing is update forge arrays. So let's go see. Update grass arrays. What happens? What does that function entail? I know where it is. Update, say, grass arrays. Or we'll go farm arrays. So update forge. I mean, yeah, okay. I don't know why I'm doing it like this, but whatever. So forge array. This is never going to happen, but maybe it will. So it clears it. Forge tile -1. It goes through all the grids, and if it finds if it finds forge tile types, forge tiles, new forge tiles. I have to write that splice. Forge. What does that 1 mean? In my master array, what does the 1 mean? Let's just declare all those things first before I worry about that. I need to fix all this scrolling. Let do just like farm. Let forge tiles equal to -1. Let forge array equals to that. Just confused about my master array. Initialize map arrays. Master array dot push dot splice. Okay. Yeah. Okay, it's because we're using splice. I don't know why I did it that way. Oh, yeah, okay, no, that makes perfect sense. Yeah. Well, it's removing, it's not updating the whole master array, it's just removing the element that is in the place where whatever the forge was, which is in this case, I'm putting over grass. What is happening? It's removing the grass element and replacing it with a forge. Okay. Bam. Uncut. Invalid reference array. Update forge array. Meet JS 574. 574. Evaluate string. Forge. Forge tiles. Ah, forge. Forge tiles. Study. Harvest. Oh, it still doesn't work. Forge is not defined at eval meet 57 or 574. Oh. I know exactly what's happening. I haven't included it here. We have a new friend. Class underscore forge. Study. Harvest. And bam. All right. All right. And it crashes. All right, I know how to fix that. This is just my pathfinding that doesn't know what to do when it encounters a forge tile, which is going to be walk right on over it. No problemo. Okay, stop, refresh. Okay. Oh, I broke something. Open the live server, close this one. Jeez. It's very stubborn. Just close, stop and close. Close tab. All right, well, it's staying there. Is OBF still capturing the good one? Yes. Okay, study. Harvest. Build your forge. All right, so we're gonna have 15 minutes left. Okay, I can't right click on this. What I'd like it to do is when he's on a forge, I guess this is going to change where you put stuff in the top and it converts it, you know, it Minecraft-esque. Maybe you put in wood too, and it it converts stone to iron. Iron. That makes sense. That's not going to be easy. Well, that's going to be annoying to do. But definitely doable. Okay. Okay, well first let's make it so he can go to the forge. It's going to be mouse canvas. If you right click, click on tile. Or tile type. Is forge tile type. Okay, so now I can go to it. Okay. Okay. Class forge. Just go over in my head how I want to do this. It'd be cool if all of these 4 tiles shared the same inventory. Inventory array. So we would have, this would be a lot shorter. Then we would have this dot output array. And we would also have this dot fuel array, which would equal to whatever. We could have 3 slots, 4 slots. And now in the HUD, so we're changing things quite a bit. Because now if there's one hab selected and we're showing tile inventory, so we have, yeah, if it's not tile index, if it's not a lake, I mean, I don't know why that's there. So we could have if tile type, I want this, that is equal to forge tile type, do something, and then this is just going to be else. Do this. And so we would have inventory draw, inventory content, forge inventory, comma I. Oh, we need this. Yep. Sorta. It's sorta because... No, okay. It's actually not that bad. I'm gonna use... I'll have these three, and then these bottom three at output. So input at the top three, output at the top bottom, and then there's these two middle rows where I'll fit in like fuel. And so my class forge, my array, is going to look like this, but undefined. We're gonna have some undefineds here. Undefined. 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 Okay. And in class forge, you can put fuel in these four, say, so like these four, and when that happens, it's gonna grab stuff from this, put it in here. I think that's how that's gonna work. Yeah, I think I can make that work fine. I just want to see. Oh no, this isn't gonna work because forge inventory, draw contact, forge inventory. Okay, well I guess it can be the same. Tile inventory. It's just within. I won't be able to drop. Well, there's. I mean, I'll be restricted to what I can drop. See, okay, so this is blocked off. This is going to be like the fuel slots. This is going to say fuel here, and then maybe it'll be an arrow pointing down like this. Or a progress bar or some kind of thing that indicates when. It's just like in Minecraft. It's just that in my class forge, so I'll only be able to put stone in here, only be able to put wood and coal and whatever, and you can't put anything in here. You can only take out of there. Or you can't put stuff in there. There's just no point. But in my inventory canvas, inventory pickup item, tile inventory, inventory mouse slot. Okay, you can pick up items at any time in there, but dropping items, inventory drop item, is not going to be so simple. I don't have time to work on this today. I'm going to end right about now. I'll probably have a specific one for forge inventory so that you can only drop items, specific items in specific places. Yeah, I think that makes sense. This hasn't closed yet. Okay, I'm going to call it quits for today because I got to meet up with a friend. Hopefully those watching enjoyed. And I'll see you here next Tuesday. Yeah, looking forward to it. All right, enjoy.